Welcome to Vince Talks AI, where I delve deep into the heart of AI technology, covering alternative perspectives and stories. Today's focus: the glaring hole in Custom GPT security. Brace yourselves, as this is an eye-opener about the fragility of the much-hyped Custom GPTs, with their persistent security flaws, leaked programming instructions, and exposed configuration files. Ay, ay, ay. Let's explore this hot mess. The truth is that sophisticated GPTs, these AI marvels, revered for their superior intelligence and utility in work and play, are standing exposed, vulnerable to the slightest of intrusions like an open book. Hackers, it seems, have found a new playground. We're not just talking about advanced cyber threats here. These are basic tricks unraveling the DNA of GPTs, sometimes just requiring a short sentence length prompt of less than 10 words. Every instruction and every data file is at risk during these attacks. It begs the question of, what the heck is going on here? With prompt injection attacks, Dan or Do Anything Now attacks, text data block prompt and foreign language attacks, and a myriad of combinations of these, allowing the cloning of a vast majority of custom GPTs. Often it is as simple as just asking the GPT for its instructions, or asking for them to be placed into a text code block. Sometimes requesting information in a foreign language incorporated with one of the above methods is the only trick required. The separate uploaded data files used to program some GPTs are also easily coaxed out of many using these same hacks. And here's a shocker. Right from the launch of the Open AI GPT store just over a week ago, we've seen many, if not most of the GPTs available being susceptible to these sorts of attacks. I'm not comprehending how OpenAI is going to sell products like this. The details of the revenue sharing cannot come soon enough, or can any information as to if they are going to implement any back-end blanket coding fixes for these security vulnerabilities, as many solutions are now known. So that's exactly what we're going to discuss now, these known solutions. We're talking about using special instructions beyond the operational details of the GPT. These aren't leaky patches, they're concise instruction sets. We're not talking advanced coding either, or sophisticated algorithms, just simple directions in English to educate the GPT regarding threats and responses. These range from the simple to complex, but with a trade-off. You only have a limited 8,000 characters, or about a 1,200 word limit in your special instructions section of your GPT. The more complex and wordy your instructions become for use in security, the less space you have available to program your GPT's main functions, which becomes an issue for more complex GPTs. There are solutions to this as well, and they will be explored in much greater detail in an upcoming video on securing custom GPTs now. A basic example ready to be cut and pasted into a GPT's configuration files is located in the video description below. And now let me introduce you to the proof in the pudding, Cypher and his Hack Me booth, an outrageous digital wise guy with the demeanor of a carnival clown in a dunking booth. He has sworn to never reveal the secrets in his instructions, including the secret 7 words or the secret 10-digit number. And if he does happen to slip up and share these, well, then that 0-day bug hacker will be eligible to claim the $100 bug bounty reward. Type rules into the GPT to learn more. The link to Cypher's booth is in the video description. Designed to have valuable secrets contained in its programming that must not be revealed, Cypher's Hack Me Booth GPT is a test of my best security special instruction set to date. With image generation and code interpreter turned on, it offers many attack vectors for the clever. Go ahead and try breaching Cypher's defenses. Have fun with his banter while you challenge his wit. But Cypher is just the beginning. In the coming weeks, I will roll out these proven security measures across all of my unique, fun, and useful GPT creations, and also share these security methods with you. First, let's prove that nobody can hack this GPT. So there you have it. Bah humbug regarding the idea that GPTs are hackable. Not anymore. Prove me wrong. Subscribe, like, share, comment, and come back soon while Vince talks AI and talks and talks and talks. Don't forget the Z for zany.